Spanning hundreds of acres, this German engineering marvel is the engine behind the ultimate driving machine. In this massive body shop, hundreds of robotic arms work in perfect synchronization, welding high-strength steel with pinpoint precision.
It all begins here. Massive coils of high-strength steel and aluminum arrive, weighing several...
Scan sequence initiating on the suspension points.
Data looks stable. We have full verification.
Alignment looks good on the passenger side.
Confirmed. Securing the main bolts now.
All green, moving to the next station.
Here at the testing station, hydraulic pressure builds steadily, verifying the integrity of the brake system. The calibration process requires micron-level precision. The technicians fine-tune the geometry until the lasers...
Checkpoint 4 is clear. Torque histories match specs.
Validated. Closing the loop now. Ensure the torque is applied smoothly until you hear the click. Check the digital readout for confirmation.
The manufacturing story concludes with precision, order, and global reach.
Target bands achieved.
Confirmed. Proceeding with disconnection.
Keep it coming straight, a little more to the left now. All right, hold it right there. Secure the vehicle.
The Bremerhaven shipment is still on schedule for the 24th.
Confirmed. All green across the Atlantic routes.
Unit 4, passing inspection now.
Roger that. Send the next one down the ramp.
All the data matches the import documentation here.
Confirmed. We'll clear it now.
At the regional distribution hub, every vehicle undergoes a rapid but thorough intake inspection, documented digitally before being staged for delivery.
Reviewing the allocation rules for the G20 models, we can push the X-Drive units to the West Coast.
Confirmed.
Slow approach, dead center.
Straps engaged. Torque check complete, showing green.
The assembly is complete. Now, the fleet coordinators manage the precise, staggered departure of the... VIN and matches. Interior trim, wheels, and software packages are aligned.
Confirmed. Update status to customer assigned.
Okay, start here with the high-strength steel construction, then the robotic welded seams for precision.
The factory journey is complete. Welcome to the new BMW 3 Series.
As you step inside, you'll notice the displays gently illuminate. We'll start by customizing your driver profile on the central screen.
The sensor health metrics for batch 7 are stabilizing.
Yes, the long-term reliability trend is confirmed. I'll log the insight.
The field data confirms the fatigue issue at 45 Newton meters.
We'll update the torque specification to 47, approving the change now.
We confirm the quality standards for the electronic modules.
Noted. The system is showing green across the board.
The digital twin aligns perfectly with the physical production metrics here at Checkpoint Gamma.
Verified. The data integrity holds.
The trend is stabilizing within tolerance. Log the preventive action.
Confirmed. The issue is resolved.
The feedback integration is complete. We have alignment.
Yes, all indicators are positive now.
Great work. The dealer network appreciates the quick resolution.
We lock in the software updates here. This aligns perfectly with the production schedule.
Looks good. We proceed as planned.
So the optimized strategy for the 3 Series materials is confirmed.
Yes, this ensures we meet the 2030 targets for steel and aluminum recycling.
The welding performance curve on the left is the new global benchmark.
Oh, yeah.
Cycle times are down by 15%.
Clear coat looks good. Pigment dispersion is uniform.
Confirmed. The delta values are spot on. The adjustment optimized the reach zones.
Confirmed. All indicators are green now. Much better repeatability.
The efficiencies from the G20 platform are fully integrated here.
Confirmed. The next generation looks solid for production.
Yield strength looks good, right within the target parameters.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Confidence score resolved to 0.
Excellent. That panel is cleared for assembly.
The robot uptime increase is significant. We should review the predictive maintenance data.
Agreed. Let's cross-reference this with the assembly error reduction figures.
By moving the sub-assembly here, we reduced the takt time by 15 seconds.
Yeah. And the green highlight confirms that meets the target.
Carbon accounting for the 3 Series assembly is fully compliant.
Confirmed. The renewable sourcing update is reflected.
Look, the shift to hydroformed aluminum drops the phase cost significantly.
That aligns with the sustainability targets as well.
Confirmed. Let's lock in the Q3 projections.
The global rollout is fully stabilized. It's been a tremendous effort by the whole team.
We're ready to build on that success, sir.
If we adjust the maintenance windows here, the capacity curve smooths out.
Yes, that aligns with the workforce redistribution plan.
Confirmed. The schedule is locked.
This hall represents the lifecycle management of our Series 3 production assets, guaranteeing readiness for future use.
All green across the board for the 3 Series program.
Energy intensity targets were surpassed.
Confirmed. I'm archiving the final report now.
The capacity release for the 3 Series is proceeding as planned. The Q3 targets are secure.
Agreed. We can confirm the asset reallocation schedule.
The logistics sequence here allows us to reuse the existing stamping tools.
Good. That locks in the milestone. We are ready for the program launch.